Hello little artist. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker and start the drawing. Firstly, we draw two straight lines and made a plus shape. We draw a curve using that. Here we draw a semicircle on the top of the car. We draw very carefully. Next we draw the car wheel using circle shape. We draw a small circle into it. Next, it's time to draw another wheel using same process. First we draw a big circle, and we draw a small circle into it. We draw a straight line, and joined it to draw the face and back part of the car. Now it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the body part of the car. Cars are fun vehicles that many children love. Some cars are toys, like remote control cars. Cars have wheels that help them move. Many cars are brightly colored. Cars can be small or big. Toy cars can be pushed or driven. Some toy cars have lights and sounds. Cars can be used to go on adventures. Children can pretend to be race car drivers. Red color. Cars help with coordination and balance. Ride-on cars make playtime more exciting. Cars can take us to different places. Some cars are electric and good for the environment. Cars can be a part of a child's imagination. We use sky blue color for coloring the window glass of the car. Toy cars can be collected and raced. Cars are a popular toy for many children. Some cars are designed to look like real cars. Cars can be a source of joy and entertainment. Children can learn about different car models. Cars are a fun part of childhood. We ice yellow color to color the wheel of the car. Yellow color. Black color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.